Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Owner. If it's your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Today I'll be teaching you how to draw your eyebrows. So from now on, your brows are going to be on flick. So let's get right into the video. First of all, I'll be showing you the things that I used. A MAC brown eyebrow pencil in the shade CM02, my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, my Mary Kay foundation in the shade Bronze 67, my Spoolie, my angle brush, and my blending brush. First of all, I'm going to brush up all the hairs on my eyebrow. Then I'll start drawing from the under part of my brows, following the shape of my eyebrow, and I'm going in sharp like strokes. I'll do the same for the up part, and I just left a little space at the beginning for my brow. Then I'll start filling in my eyebrow in short like strokes. Make sure when you're drawing your brows, you don't press the pencil into your skin because you don't want it to look too thick. So I'm just brushing up all the hairs again, brushing the front very well because I want that place to look natural. So for the under part of my brow, I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer to just clean up the under part of my brow, going in short like strokes, and I'm following the same shape I drew. I'm just taking my time to do it because I want the brow to look good. Yeah, you want to keep doing this because you want your brow to be perfect. So I just made a mistake there, but I'm just going to use my concealer to fix it by cleaning up that place, going in short like stroke and making the line straight, and that's it. Yeah, I'm just pushing the concealer down so that it will be easy for me to blend. For the front part of my brow, I'm using my foundation to clean up the part so that the foundation is going to blend into my skin. I learned this tip from Layefa. Yeah, just bringing the foundation down so that I can blend it well, and I'm applying the excess concealer on my eyelid. This step is optional, just if you want to apply eyeshadow you can do this. So I'm just blending all the concealer into my eyelid with my blending brush. When you're blending your concealer, make sure you're very careful so that you don't spoil your eyebrow. Just take your time. Take your time to do your brow. Like, you don't have to rush. If you rush, you won't get it right. Just take your time, settle down and do it. For the up part of my brow, I'm just following the shape that I drew, going in short like strokes, and make sure your, what's it called? Make sure your angle brush is flat on your face, just like that, when you're cleaning up your eyebrow. So I'm just cleaning the harsh line, the foundation left, yeah, and I'm just blending everything into my skin. And you want the edge of your eyebrow to be sharp, so you need to settle down to do that too. It should be as sharp as that. So I'm just setting the concealer on my eyelid with my face powder so that the concealer stays in place all day long. And I'm going to do the same for the top part of my eyebrow. I'm just brushing up all the hairs on my eyebrow again. Brush them up carefully, and for the front part, I'm going to brush it out so it looks even more natural. So yeah guys, that is it about this tutorial. If you like my video or you learned a thing or two, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to practice so that your brows are going to be looking on fleek. Alright? So guys, see ya in my next video. Bye!